How to skank. Skanking is a two-step dance done mainly at ska, punk, and reggae concerts. Wild, personalized, and found in dance halls since the 1950s, skanking is one of the easiest dance forms to pick up anywhere, anytime. The basic motion resembles running in place, swinging your arms and elbows exaggeratedly along with your feet. No matter the tempo or your personal style, you can learn the basics of skanking with a few basic steps. Steps. 1. Feel the beat of the music. Skanking falls strictly on the beat of the song, so you need to feel the pulse of the music before you begin. Start by tapping your foot along to the song to get the beat down. If you're having trouble keeping up, slow your foot down by tapping half as many beats as before. Good songs to start with include Pressure Drop by Toots the Maytals, Slow Tempo by Skank by Numbers, Mustard Plug, Mid Tempo, or 9mm and a 3-piece suit by Streetlight Manifesto, Catch, 22, Fast Tempo. Even if you aren't perfect, let yourself get into the music. Skanking isn't about perfection. 2. Stand on one leg with your weight slightly forward. When you are skanking, you'll only have one foot on the floor at any given time. Keep your knees slightly bent so that you can move them quickly. Leaning forward may feel weird at first, but it will help you keep your balance as you start moving. 3. Bend your raised leg backwards from the knee. You want your foot to come back towards your butt, like you are getting ready to kick a soccer ball. 4. Kick your leg out in front of you in time with the song. Each kick will fall on a beat. Every time you would have tapped your foot, you want to be kicking one of your legs. Start as slowly as you need in order to get in line with the song. If you still struggle to get the beat right, try kicking in time with the drummer. Listen for one regular drum you can follow and skank to this beat. 5. Hop onto your kicking leg while bringing your other leg back. This is probably the hardest part of the dance. Hop on your standing leg while simultaneously bringing your kicking leg to the floor so that they've switched positions. The leg you were just standing on will now be bent back towards your butt. Stay loose and with your knees slightly bent so that you can hop quickly. Practice this at a slow tempo to work on transitioning your legs smoothly. 6. Swing your arms along with your feet. With your elbow bent and your hands in a fist, throw your opposite arm forward in time with your legs. That means if you are kicking your right leg, you will have your left arm forward. Bring your elbow back to your waist and repeat with the opposite arm. Though this is the traditional way to have your arms, there is no right way. The only essential part is using the opposite arm as your foot. Toss your whole hand in front of your body, don't bend your elbows, or throw your hands up towards the sky if you'd like. 7. Smooth it out at a show. Skanking is meant to be group dance, forming skank lines, skank circles, or taking your dance into a skank pit. The only way to learn is to do it, and to do it with other people. 8. Make the dance your own. When you let yourself go and really feel the music, you'll start to make the dance your own and start to really have fun. Try skanking double time, twice as many kicks, moving around while you skank, or spinning in place while you dance. Remember, you can skank to most music that falls on an upbeat, like reggae. Try skanking to a slower song like Easy Skanking by Bob Marley to get a feel for more relaxed skanking. If you're looking for more good music to skank to, check out Bad Manners, The Specials, Real Big Fish, Less Than Jake, The English Beat, The Toasters, General Public, or any other two-tone or third-wave ska bands. Tips. You don't need to be perfect to have fun skanking. In fact, you shouldn't be perfect. This takes practice, so go to a show and have some fun. For some basic info, listen to Skank by Numbers by Mustard Plug for in-song directions. Warnings. Be careful skanking in a mosh pit, nobody likes getting hurt.